Hey, in this video I'm doing some wood burning or pyrography. Hi, welcome to Clee's Backyard Woodworking. I'm David. I loved drawing when I was a kid, so what better way to get back into it by drawing and burning art onto wood. Let's do this. Recently picked up this Chicago Electric Welding 5-in-1 hobby wood burner tool. Picked it up at Harbor Freight. Alright, this is item number 38593. It includes 3 soldering tips, 4 wood burning tips, a safety hanger, and the tool itself. Let's open it up and see how it works. So this 5-in-1 hobby wood burner includes 3 soldering tips, 4 wood burning tips, safety hanger, and the tool itself. You can cut stencils, fuse plastic cords, shape styrofoam, solder small parts. It's got this little plastic case. Create burned-in designs for wood or leather. Interchangeable tips make this an incredible, versatile tool. We got the instruction manual. We got a plastic case with all the tips. We got some soldering, and we have the tool itself and the hanger. Alright, let's go through some of these tips. So I can open it up. Go. Okay, let's go through the attachments this came with. So we got the hobby tool right here. We have the connector. We have the script wood burning tip. We have the script tip holder. You slide this right in. Like so. And then tighten this right up. Pointed soldering tip. Very thin point. We have the dot wood burning tip. We have a fusing tip. We have a fine soldering tip. This one's a bit thicker than the pointed soldering tip. So these two are soldering tips. This one here is the chisel soldering tip. It's got a beveled edge on the tip. We have a all-purpose wood burning tip. And we have the grading wood burning tip. Alright, so now I'm going to plug it in, have it heat up, and then try out these little bits. They have scrap of wood and just do like some testings on it. Peanut butter jelly time. Want some? Okay, tool is plugged in. I tried to tighten the script tip. It's not tightened up, so that's one bad thing about this toolkit. So I'm gonna just try it out, see how it works. Make sure you use pliers to tighten it up and take it off, because this gets really hot. Well, the instruction manual doesn't say how hot it gets or how long it needs to take to get hot. So let's give it a quick try here. Yeah, ain't doing nothing. Let it hot. Let it get more hot. Alright, so this tip's been heating up for over 10-15 minutes, and it's not really doing anything. So I'm gonna change the tips. Alright, let's just try out this other wood tip. We got the grading. And we got some lightning and thundering going on. Alrighty. Let's have this heat up for a few minutes. Give it a try. There we go. Let's do some lines. Got rain coming down. Hold on. Gonna have to cut this short. Major downpour. Lines. The dot wood burning tip. Yeah, this is just good for dots. Can do some dark lines, but no, it's not hot enough. Let's try the general wood burning tool. And the tip broke. So that video is done. So for this Harbor Freight tool, I would say don't get it. Well, so this video is gonna be cut short. No demonstrations. No more demonstrations on this tool. I'm gonna go and return this back to Harbor Freight. I don't recommend this if you're looking to get into wood burning. Just that, you know, I tried to put in a different bit and it broke inside of it and I didn't even tighten it that hard. And now I can't get that out, so this is no use. So I would pass this tool at Harbor Freight and look for another kind. You can look at Amazon or a hobby store. And that's where I'll probably go check out and get a different one. If you found this video very helpful, you may not want to get one of these. Harbor Freight is a great store. You could get great items there, but I don't recommend this one. So thank you for watching. Until next time, I'll catch you later.